struggling to add downloaded videos in CapCut? Don't worry, I have got you covered. Also, exactly how to add the downloaded videos to CapCut. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the video file downloaded on your laptop and click on Import and select the downloaded video file from your laptop. Drag and drop the imported video file from the media library onto your timeline like this. Now trim the video by dragging its edges on the timeline to fit the desired duration like this. You can change its opacity from here. You can add the background from here. Click on blur and click on this blur. As you can see, your background has also been added to the video. Now play your project to ensure the new video is perfectly adjusted. Once you are happy with it, click on export right here to save your project. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.